channel Knowledge Hub and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your discussing here, which has been the 171st question of the session, class of the session that has been in quantitative aptitude, where we had started with arithmetical ability. Now we are dealing with the time and work, which was being the important one, of course. In time and work, we had done your 192nd question of the session, and hopefully if it has not been exceeded, we'll be ending it up time and work in this class only. So before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and another you can also enjoy the video as well. Coming towards it, now we're discussing about the 92th question. So here we go. So the question we have here is how many workers are required for completing the construction work in 10 days? Statement 1 is 20% of the work that can be completed by 8 workers in 8 days. Second statement is 20 workers or can complete the work in 16 days. And the third statement is 1/8 of the work that can be completed in 8 workers in 5 days. That has been asked in the bank view question paper. The statement 1 is first only, second and third only, third only, first and third only, any one of the three here. So here we go for the same. How many workers are required for completing the construction work in 10 days? The statement 1 is 20% of the work that can be completed by 8 workers in 8 days. The second statement is 20 workers can complete the work in 16 days. So here we go. So with the same we go for it. That has been the second statement, as I told you, which has been 20 workers can complete the work in 16 days. The third one we have 1/8 of the work can be completed by 8 workers in 5 days. This has been asked in bank view. Options were the first only, second and third only, first and third only, and any one of the three. And let's find it out the same here. 92th question of the session. So here we go. According to the first statement, (20 upon 100) work can be completed by 8 into 8 workers a day in 1 day. So whole work can be completed by 8 into 8 into 5 workers in one day. So that has been 8 into 8 into 5 upon 10 workers in 10 days equals to 32 workers in 10 days. For the second statement, it will be 20 into 16 workers can finish it in one day. That is 20 into 16 by 100. 10. That is workers can finish it in 10 days. So 32 workers, 10 ones are 10, 10 2s are 20, 2 16, that is 32. So 32 workers can finish it in 10 days. Now according to the third statement, here 1/8 work can be completed by 8 into 5, which is workers in one day. So whole work can be completed by 8 into 5 into 8 workers in one day. So 8 into 5 into 8 upon 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. So workers in 10 days equals to 32 workers in 10 days. Okay. So any one of the three gives the answer. The options were, so here we'll be having this answer. The options we have is your E. Any of the three will be the right answer. We're talking about the 93rd question of the session that we have discussed here. So let's go for it. First we go for the question here, and that we have, in how many days that can the work be done by 9 men and 15 women, where the statement 1 is 6 men and 5 women can complete the work in 6 days, 3 men and 4 women can complete the work in 10 days, and 18 men and 15 women can complete the work in 2 days. This is the options we have. Third only, all 1, 2 and 3. Any two of the three, and any one of the three, none of these. So we go for it and we'll find it out a solution here as well. So here we go for the same. Let's find out the solution here. Before that, we'll be going to continue with the question, and that is of course being important here. So 117. So this 93rd question. In how many days can the work be done by 9 men and 15 women. The statement 1 we have 6 men and 5 women can complete the work in 6 days. Second, 3 men and 4 women can complete the work in 10 days. And the third we have 18 men and 15 women can complete the work in 10 days. 18 men and that is complete the work in 2 days. Sorry. Now we go for the solution here. We'll figure out the solution that we have as follows. So clearly any two of the three will give this equation as in x and y, which can be advised simultaneously. So correct answer for the same it will be directly, we'll find it out. So we'll just write it down for you all clearly. Okay, clearly any two of the three will be give two equations in x and y which can be solved simultaneously. So options that will be the right answer is the option C here. Directly you can see, for example, 1 and 2 together gives 1 and 2 together gives, which is 6x plus 5x equals to 1 upon 6, 3x plus 4y which is equals to 1 upon 10. Okay, now we go for the another question, which is of course been important one, and that is 94th question of the session, and that we go here. 94th question we have, in how many days can 10 women finish a work? And this has been asked in the RBI examination paper, so that has been important one. The options for the statements we have here is 10 men can complete the work in 6 days. Second statement is 10 men 10 women together can complete the work in 3 by 7 days. And if third statement is if 10 men work for 3 days and thereafter 10 women replace them, so the remaining work is completed in 4 days. And the options we have any two of the three, 1 and 2 only, second and third only, 1 and third only, and none of these. So we'll go for the solution here. So here we go, and that we have an answer. 94th question. In how many days can 10 women finish a work? This has been asked in RBI. So the statement 1 we have 10 men can complete the work in 6 days. Second one, 10 men and 10 women together can complete the work in 3 by 7 days. So getting the third statement, if 10 men work for 3 days, and thereafter 10 women replace ten women replace them, remaining work is completed in 4 days. This has been asked in, as I told you, RBI examination paper. So we go for the same here. So we'll find out the solution here, that we have as follows. So for the first statement, the statement states that 10 into 6 men can complete. So 10 into 6, that is, men can complete the work in 1 day. So 1 man, 1 day's work equals to 1 by 60. According to the second statement, 10 into 24 by 7 men plus 10 into 24 by 7 women can complete the work in 1 day. So 240 by 7 means 1 day work plus 240 by 7 women's 1 day's work equals to 1. So 240 upon 7 into 1 upon 60, 0 will cancel it out, and then further it will be cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, and that is been the further cancel it out, plus 240 by 7 women's 1 day's work equals to 1. So 240 by 7 women's 1 day's work equals to 3 by 7 into 7 upon 240 into 10. 0 will cancel out. This is 3 by 7, so 7 being cancelled out, and 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24, then 8 here. It will be coming towards 1 by 8. So 10 women one day's work equals to, that can finish the work in 8 days. 10 women can finish the work in 8 days. Now for the third one, 10 men's work for 3 days work for 3 days plus 10 women's work for 4 days equals to 1. So 10 into 3 men's 1 day's work plus 10 into 4 women's 1 day's work equals to 1. So 30 men's 1 day's work plus 10 women's 1 day's work equals to 1. So thus 1 and third will give the answer, and second and third will give us the answer. The correct answer for the same, it will be A. So we go for it with A. Now we go for the another one which we'll be talking about, and that is being the another important question, and which is each of these question is being followed by the 3 statements. You have to study the question, and the 3 statements give to decide whether the information provided in the statement is or are redundant, and that can be displaced by while answering the given question. The next question, which will be the 95th question that we have: in how many days that can the work be completed A, B, C together? Statement 1 is A, B together can complete the work in 6 days. B and C together can complete the work 3 by 4 days, and A and C together can complete the work in 1 by 3 days. Options were any one of the 3, 1 only, second only, third only. Information in all the 3 statements is necessary to answer the question. This has been asked in SBI PO question paper, so we'll go for it the same here. So 95th question: in how many days can the work be completed by A, B and C together? The statement 1 we have A and B together can complete the work in 6 days. This is asked in SBI PO. B and C together can complete the work in 3 by 4 days, and the third, A and C together can complete the work in 1 by 3 days. Let's go for it and we'll find out the answer here. So here we go. And that we have as follows. Accordingly, what we have to answer it out. According to the first statement, A plus B's 1 day's work equals to 1 by 6. Second statement, B plus C's 1 day's work equals to 4 by 15. Then the third statement, A plus C's 1 day's work equals to 3 upon 10. So adding, we get 2A plus B plus C's 1 day's work equals to 1 by 6. So on adding here, that is 1 by 6 plus 4 by 15 plus 3 by 10. So on the same way it will be 22 by 30. Now coming towards A plus B plus C's here, that is 1 day's work equals to 1 by 2 into 22 by 30 equals to 11 by 30. Because 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. So thus A, B and C together can finish the work in 30 by 11 days. Hence 1, 2 and 3 are necessary to answer the question. So we go for the option E. Now we go for another one and another last question that we discussed, which is being the 96th question of the session, as we had completed the 95th question here in the sessions as well. So here we go for the same. The 96th question we have, that has been the last as well. 8 men and 14 women are working together in a field after working for 3 days. 5 men and 8 women leave the work. How many more days will be required to complete the work? This has been asked in the SBI PO question paper, which has been important one. The statement 1 we have is your 19 men and 12 women together can complete the work in 18 days. Second statement is 16 men can complete 2/3 of the work in 16 days. And the third one is, in a day the work done by 3 men is equals to the work done by a 4 woman. Options were first only, second only, third only, and your first or third, second or third, or second and third only. So we go for the same. 96th question. Eight men and 14 women are working together in a field after working for 3 days. After working for 3 days, 5 men and 8 women leave the work. How many more days will be required to complete complete the work. This has been asked in SBI PU. Statement 1, we have 19 men and 12 women together can complete the work in 18 days. Second one, 16 men can complete 2/3 of the work in 16 days. Third one, in a day the work done by 3 men is equal to the work done by 4 women. Let's find out the solution. Clearly, 1 only gives the answer, so similarly 2nd only gives the answer, and 3rd only gives the answer. So we'll go for the answer here. It will be the option D. 1, 2nd and 3rd only gives the answer respectively, individually, so that the D option will be the right answer here. We're going to end up with this. Other than quantitative aptitude, we are dealing with chemistry part 1 we had completed for class 11th NCERT. Part 2 we are dealing here. In physics part 1 we are dealing for the class 11. We had done your reasoning, we are dealing with the CBI, we are dealing with the computer DBMS, that ER diagrams as well. Coming towards we are dealing English vocabulary, we will surely start with the bank PO as well. Coming towards quantitative aptitude, we had completed your 15th topic here. We'll discuss the rest of the topics in the next coming class here, and that has been of course important one, which is in the 172th class of the session, where we'll start discussing about pipes and system. After that, here in this we are dealing in arithmetical ability. We had done your numbers, SCF and LCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplifications, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, charts and indices, that is percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, pipe and system, time and distance, problems on train, boards and steams, allegations or mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and gives of skills, calendar, clock, stocks and shares, computations and combinations, then probability, to discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd man out series. In data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulations, bar graph, pie charts and line graph. So here we can end up with. Thank you, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Thank you.